Hey everybody, this is Kirby White with Alt F11. Welcome back to another Excel Excedrin video where I try and solve your Excel headaches in about 2 minutes. Today we're going to be talking about drop-down lists, which is a very handy way of entering repeated information without making any errors. It makes you much more consistent. It also helps people that may not know all the options, so this is a very powerful tool to know how to use. Let's say that we have this list or this cell, and for whatever reason we want people to put in a piece of information, but only from a select group. We can go to the Data tab. I'm going to scroll over here to the Data Tools, and I'm going to click on Data Validation. It's going to bring up this this form, and from the Settings menu, I'm going to say Allow List, and I'm going to type in some names here. These are the values I want people to be able to enter. And so we'll type in each value and separate them with a comma. And when we do that and we click OK, now we get this drop-down option when we click on the cell. That is a great way to do it, but I want to show you another way that might be a little bit more flexible. So I'm going to actually set this back to any value. We'll click OK. And I have this information here, and let's say I want to store those values in a table and that they might change fairly often because it's not very convenient to change values using that method. So I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to turn it into a table. So and we're going to say yes, we have headers because we don't want business lines included in the list. And from here I have to select define name, and we're going to call it business lines is a great name. But I'm going to change this refers to. I'm going to close that out. But while I'm selected in here, now I'm going to highlight these. And you'll see that it selects table 5 and then in brackets says business lines. I'm going to click OK. I'll go back to that cell, and from the Data tab, go to Data Validation. And I'm going to say List. And this time I'm going to type in business lines. And this was the name of that table that we gave it. So I'm going to click OK here. And just like that, we have the same list. And now when I add something to this or change it, so instead of maintenance, maybe I want to call it repairs. And so we'll change that value, and you'll see that reflected here. It automatically updated the list that we want to use for the drop-down. So I hope that helps. That was a little bit fast, but send me any questions. Watch it again. That's got a lot of good information in it. I'll see you next time.